We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned if this one turned to flag, we can take the trade and we want to see the breakout of 1.07. And this is what we get. And one of the things is whoever get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even. Because every time the price broke the previous top, we can expect to get any correction similar to any of this. All right. Now we want to see what's the next. And in this case, one thing, the second thing I need to highlight, if you put this top in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why I mentioned if there is a continuation with a divergence, it can follow up with the sharp move. Either the price can continue as a sharp continue on the uptrend or downtrend. All right. That's why the possibility to get a proper trade within this one is very less. Okay, I mean, it is not that easy to get the proper trade because maybe get a few trade and even it doesn't move in our direction because every time the price broke the previous top, it followed by a correction. That's why mostly when we see this kind of the correction, we can expect to get the reversal or deeper correction. The possibility of they get the deeper correction or reversal is much more rather than getting the sharp move and continuation. Okay, now want to see what's the next. Okay, that the only thing is since we have a divergence, we need to be aware that made this one give us a deeper correction before we get the continuation. All right, anyway, this is what just when I need to highlight all these things, at least traders they know what's the next and how to you can look for the next trade. And since we get the trade from here, if the traders they want to keep the trade since it's not moving as what we expected, at least move their stop loss to break even, because if this one turns to a correction similar to any of this, at least they can protect their account. All right, and now want to see what's the next. If we move to the daily chart, sorry, forward chart, again we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And at this point the most important things I'm looking for to see the breakout of 1.14. We want to see the confirmation of this one, at least to confirm we broke the price broke this entire correction. All right, and based on forward chart we don't see any trade setup. And what I'm expecting to get the either from here or higher, we are going to get the deeper correction for continuation. That's why from now, if we want to look for a trade, we need to be quite careful. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. And again, if we want to look for trade, if this one turn to correction similar to any of this, then any reversal is a sharp move like we take it with the breakout of the previous top, we start to manage it. If they continue similar to what we have here, unless we get the deeper correction, we have nothing else to discuss. And the levels, the next level I'm looking for is I want to see the breakout of 1.14. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.